Hi guys, Mike here doing a review on these Klein tools high leverage side cutters for expert trades. So these do have a nifty little feature that lets you know when the insulation's worn down. You can see this white through it on the handles, and then you know they need replaced. These are high leverage, so meant to be able to cut a bit easier than a standard pair of side cutters. This is some FP200. Cutting that no problem, nice and smooth, but this is my standard pair, little Weeha pair. Very comfortable grips, more comfortable than the Klein's, to be honest. That cuts that no problem either. Straight through, you can't really see the difference considering these are meant to be high leverage. When it comes to something a bit thicker, 4-core SY, I know they won't cut it for a fact, but these will. It does take 2 cuts just because it can't fit it all in the jaw at once, but having to put a lot of pressure down there to get through them, a hell of a lot. As were my 3-year-old Stanley ones, which I've seen a lot of abuse over the years. I do use them for cutting nails and everything. Still cut through it easy to me. Just feel nicer and feel a lot more comfortable now. Now I know these aren't insulated, and I'm not a huge fan of Stanley tools, but this is one thing Stanley tools made very well, particularly for the price point. If they did offer an insulated pair, I would have bought an insulated pair. But if it's left up to me for £70, I don't see the justified price difference against something like this at £20. I actually think these were dearer than the Stanley ones, to be honest. But these, for high leverage side cutters, I don't think you'll beat them. And these, I wouldn't have paid £70 for myself. And if I did, I'd have been very disappointed. Thanks, guys.